everyone, Cassie here with the Milton Public Library. I am the tween coordinator, ages 9 through 12, and this summer is going to look a little different. We're going to do everything virtual. What does that mean? It means that we have some opportunities for your kiddos to take home some take and make kits so that they can take the programs home and then we can meet up virtually. This Spark to Go kit will be available as soon as today up until June 22nd at 9 a.m. While supplies last, at least. You can choose between gray, green, blue, and multicolor. Clay is demonstrating our second summer program, which is another Spark to Go kit, some paints and some rocks and some Q-tips, and we will be doing a Dragonfly design. This will be a live Zoom paint along on July 6th at 9 a.m. Third summer program option, Eli is demonstrating. We will be having a Zoom and Kahoot simultaneously, and we will be going over fun animal trivia facts. This will take place on July 20th at 9 a.m. and when you register, we will send out the Zoom and Kahoot links. Our fourth summer program option is a 3-day mini coding camp with our special guest, professional coder, TC Nguyen. It'll take place August 3rd through 5th, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, from 2 to 3 p.m. on Zoom. Day 1 will be Coding Unplugged, Day 2 will be Coding Artificial Intelligence, and Day 3 will be Coding Apps. We hope you can make it.